Hi friends, welcome to All Hands on Deck signing. My name is Katie. Today, I have an awesome activity planned for Thanksgiving. We will be making a Thanksgiving turkey. This is what it looks like when it is finished. Pretty cool, right? First, I will tell you what we need to be able to make this. Then we can make it. You will need brown paper or white paper and color it if you want. This is for the body and head of the turkey. You might want red for the goblet. And then you might want several different colors for the feathers. Or you could use crayons or markers or colored pencils and draw and color your own white paper to become colored feathers. You will also need scissors, a marker, colored crayons, or one dark color for the eye, and glue. Do you have everything? Are you ready? Let's start. First, I want to make the body and head. I will use a big circle for the body. Good? Awesome. Now, I want to make the head. It is about the same size as my thumb, so I will trace that and use that. Looks good so far. Are you following? Good. Now, I will cut out the red paper. We only need a little bit. That looks good. Before I cut out more, I think I want to glue that much. We only need a little bit of glue. See? Now hold it. When you hold it, it gives the glue a chance to dry, so it won't just fall apart easy. Perfect. Now, the red goblet. Did you get it? Awesome. Now I want to make the feathers. I think I want a purple one. An orange one. A green one. A blue one. And a yellow one. You can pick whatever colors you want. You can have all the same color, all different colors, some same and some different colors. It's up to you. Now, we can glue them on like this, or we can make little cuts in the paper to make it look more like a feather. It's up to you. I will show you how I make the small cuts. Do you see what I am doing? The purple one is finished. Now I am going to use the orange one. I am finished cutting my feathers. Now it is time to glue them. I will start gluing at the back, but it's up to you how you want to start gluing. Remember, only a little bit of glue is needed. Did you finish gluing all your feathers? Awesome! I realized my Thanksgiving turkey is missing an eye. I can fix that. Did you put a face on your Thanksgiving turkey? Cool. Now we can add words. I want to add Happy Thanksgiving to my Thanksgiving turkey, but you can write whatever you want. Maybe you want to write your name or give it to a person like your mom or your brother, and you might write Happy Thanksgiving, love your name. It's up to you. First, I will write happy, Happy, happy. Now, I will write Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving. Finished. I hope you had fun. I did. See you next time.